Have you ever pondered over your daily diet, wondered about the balance between high and low-calorie foods? The benefits of striking this balance can be quite remarkable. So let's delve into this balance and the magic it can work for your health. A healthy diet should contain calorie-dense foods, as well as those that are lower in calories. For example, foods high in healthy fats such as eggs, nuts, seeds, and avocados are much higher in calories than foods like fruits and vegetables, but still very nutritious. Pairing calorie-dense foods like the ones listed above with lower-calorie foods, especially fruits and vegetables, can make meals more filling and satisfying. Plus, swapping out some high-calorie foods with lower-calorie foods can help promote healthy weight loss and may improve other aspects of health as well. If you normally have eggs and a donut every morning, for example, replacing the donut with an apple or some sautéed vegetables not only reduces the calorie content but also packs in many more nutrients and protective plant compounds. Now let's explore some low-calorie foods that can be paired with more filling foods to create a wholesome meal. Firstly, apples. A cup of apple slices weighing around 109 grams provides a mere 62 calories and almost 3 grams of dietary fiber. Not to mention, they're a good source of nutrients like fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. Next, consider asparagus. This flowering vegetable is available in green, white, and purple varieties. A cup of cooked asparagus, about 180 grams, has only 38 calories and is rich in vitamin K and folate. Then, we have beets. A cup serving of cooked beets, about 170 grams, contains 74 calories and offers nutrients like folate and manganese. Fourth on the list is broccoli. A cup of cooked broccoli, weighing 155 grams, has only 54 calories and provides more than 100% of the daily vitamin C requirement for most people. Brussels sprouts are another great low-calorie option. A cooked cup of these, weighing 155 grams, contains just 70 calories and provides 129% of the daily value for vitamin C. Lastly, consider cabbage. It's extremely low in calories with only 22 per cup, weighing 89 grams. In conclusion, the power of the balance between high and low-calorie foods is immense. By pairing calorie-dense foods with lower-calorie foods, one can promote healthy weight loss, improve other aspects of health, and ensure meals are filling and satisfying. This balance is key to enjoying a diverse and nutrient-rich diet.